y'all, we about to leave Memphis. I'm not gonna miss it either. Alright. Let me put on my seatbelt. I ain't never with my seatbelt, but I'm gonna put on one today. You got some drink? Alright, y'all, we had got us some Chick-fil-A breakfast. My jelly on my beef. My beef on my jelly and my jelly on my beef. That's a long hair song. You like this with strawberry jam? Oh, girl, get a fish fillet sandwich from McDonald's with strawberry on it. Should be good. Oh, bitch, you eat them. No tartar sauce. No tartar sauce. Yeah, they thought. Who eats fish sandwiches? Like, oh my god. Hey, you a lame if you don't eat fish sandwiches. I forgot you kind of under the rock. No, baby, you under the rock. I be telling this girl about some shit that she need to try each. That's nasty. It is, and it's bad for you. Yeah, these shits be so good. I gotta open this one. Yeah, she got me pumping gas. Still in Mississippi, and we just stopped at this gas station. That whole full. And we got some. Look, that whole full. Yeah. And we got us some chicks. Fried chicken with up.
Let your act out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
Yeah, my birthday tomorrow. Your girl. Grown. I just did my quick makeup. Yeah, I think I'm about to take some pool pictures. Cause yeah, you go. About to take some pool pictures or whatever. Tomorrow my motherfucking birthday. And it's up. I'm so motherfucking happy, y'all. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm about to take me some pool pictures. You know, I'm too slimy, so I got the motherfucking green. Yeah, look at my friend. She got them cheeks. Yeah, my man. No, we stop. Girl, that's big as hell. Look at me on the elevator. He was standing on the stairway when I went too high. Y'all, at this point, we just changing our clothes and shit. We trying to figure out what we gonna wear to walk down this little strip. Oh, girl, I'm ready to go. Before I get too. Okay, let me put my shoes on. Look, before I get too. So y'all, it's my birthday and shit. Why I forgot to record my fucking balloons and shit. Like, I'm gonna insert some clips and pictures or whatever. But like, I forgot to show y'all. I popped, well, my best friend popped the shit. Cause you know, we got a certain time when we leave and shit. And we finna be out all night. So we know we ain't gonna have time to come back and clean this shit. So we popped it already. And I forgot to show y'all. Birthday girl. But yeah, I forgot to record that. Like, I was so caught up in the moment. I was too excited to even like go head to the beach. I'm gonna take some more pictures. Like, I got so many pictures already. But like, I'm gonna take some beach pictures. I'm gonna take some more pool pictures. And dinner pictures too. So like, I got a whole bunch of pictures I'm gonna take. My storage already full. I need to delete some more stuff. But yeah. Katie back there getting ready. Okay, y'all, so this is our swimsuits that we wear. We wear all white, you know, to the beach. Hold on, let me set this up real fast so y'all can. This alright, y'all, we heading out. Wait, let me show y'all. Walk fast. It's dark right here. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Put up there looking at us. I know you nice. Move with your horse. I know
They
we look
judging
good.
us hard. I just know it.
Like, girl, we going to the beach. What up?
They judging us hard.
It's your girl birthday. Oh shit. Forgot I can't do that.
Can't do it.
Play no TikTok while I got my Bluetooth on. I'm gonna show y'all. You get no parking spots.
All this big X, hop off a jet, belly get rich. Catch through the mud, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel a dress, clean up a mess. I eat the flesh, you know the rest. Turn up a hug, copper Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Tell me text me, really good boy like I Uber to Jesse. VS is on me, got my Louis shirt.
Man, look at my toes. There go Bestie. Got my fucking bag wet, but my camera's still good. These folks just be staring, like, I hate being stared at. I'm trying to learn how to not give a fuck. Hey, look how she still taking pictures. Hold on. Still taking pictures. But y'all, it's so windy. So y'all these big legs. Okay, so y'all, we just stopped at this diner restaurant. It looked classy and shit. Not classy, what the fuck?
I
don't know the word. The word I'm trying to say. They playing the little old music that played on Sandy. What the y'all hope this food good. Wearing black.
A few moments later.
But yeah, we came back to the beach. We changed our fucking outfit. Okay,
This what I'm talking about, just sexy.
But what we about to do now?
We about to go
Out to eat.
We gotta go to a club.
Before we leave here. Cause yeah. But all the clubs here look ass. They got loud music and stuff. They got the little audio outlet. This shit, I don't know how to work a computer like you do. Yeah, we got the we got the park all the way like across the street over there. Cause yeah, I took so many pictures. I took hella pictures. So far my birthday been good. I'm just ready to go to dinner.
Birthday outfit.
Yes,
We gotta find 5 places to take these pictures.
yeah.
I ain't gonna put that on.
Okay, y'all. This is my birthday fit. You can't really see. It's a red dress. Got my little bracelet, my necklace.
My bad.
And yeah. So it's like this my little dinner dress. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little bloated because I got through eating and I'm about to go eat again. But yeah, I got through eating like 2 hours ago and I'm about to eat some more. I'm about to eat again. It's whatever.
The next day.
Y'all, we about to leave Alabama.
But that pussy talking like a Garfield.